Welcome to this training tutorial of the MAGELLAN authoring tool, otherwise known as the MAT. This tutorial covers the basics on behavioral layer aspects in the MAGELLAN authoring tool. In this tutorial, we are going to present how to switch between the behavioral mode and the scenario mode in the MAT, and how to customize an activity in the behavioral mode. In the first tutorial, we created a project called Treasure Hunter. Open this project now in the MAGELLAN program. We have already created a quiz activity for our game using the question activity from the contextual menu. In the selection editor, we can review the settings for this activity. This activity is named Quiz, and the main question asked to the players is, where do you want to go? An icon has been also inserted, and two predefined answers are provided to the player. Go to the treasure island and stay on the blue island. We can also see that the two predefined answers are displayed on the quiz activity box, allowing the author to create two different branches of the game depending on the player's answer. To customize our quiz activity, we will switch from the scenario mode to the behavioral mode by clicking on the green icon at the top of the left side toolbar. Notice how the green icon changes to red in the behavioral mode. In this mode, double-click on the activity to customize it. A custom view appears overlaying the scenario editor to allow customization of the quiz activity. The behavioral level is an intermediate authoring level in MAGELLAN, also based on visual programming concepts, but introducing more capabilities, such as the ability to transfer data from one node to another. This level allows by consequence the author to build more complex behaviors and to build activities. In this case, the behavioral mode, the author is presented with an in visual, a quiz visual, and an out visual. Two additional views appear to the right of the editor. The first view is Select Item Setting, which displays the setting for the current selected item. And the second view is Task Library, which allows the author to select predefined tasks available in the library to use for activities customization. You may click on the Reload Library button to load predefined tasks in this view. You can also search through the library with the text entered in the search box. Another new view appears to the left side of the editor. In the Entity Browser view, when the Project tab is selected, all entities available in the game scenario will be displayed. Now, let's create a time condition for our quiz activity. To create a time condition, right-click on the workspace to bring up the contextual menu. Select Conditions, and then Time and Timer. This will now display a time condition in the customized editor of the quiz activity. In the selection editor, we can set the time for the timer. So now it will be 5 seconds. Link the input of the condition to the start of the in visual, and then link the output of the condition to the Go to the Treasure Island input of the out visual. Connecting the time condition like this customizes the quiz activity with a timer. The quiz activity will automatically select the option to go to the treasure island if the player does not pick an answer in less than 5 seconds. We can now switch back to the scenario mode by clicking on the red button at the top of the left side menu, which should now turn back to the green. Then we can select the simulation main graph view to see our game scenario. The quiz activity we created in this tutorial will be tested in the next tutorial, entitled Testing and Debugging Aspects in the MAGELLAN authoring tool. This ends our tutorial on behavioral layer aspects. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how to switch to the behavioral mode and how to customize the quiz activity via the behavioral mode in the Magellan authoring tool. Thank you for watching.